Is XMMO a good ETF? This is the Invesco S&P MidCap Momentum ETF. This is a US MidCap growth ETF. It was made back in 2005. There are currently over $4 billion in assets under management. The expense ratio is 0.34%. You can currently buy this ETF for around $130. Over 200,000 shares are traded daily. Bid-ask spread is 0.03%. The beta is 1.18. This is a fairly active ETF with 104% turnover. And the long-term Sharpe ratio is 0.78%. This ETF currently invests around 8% in discretionary, 6% in energy, 28% in financial, 8% in healthcare, 24% in industrial, 4% in real estate, 9% in consumer staples, and 11% in technology. You're going to own companies like Interactive Brokers, MCOR, Sprouts, Comfort Systems, Guidewire, US Foods, Carpenter, Equitable Holdings, Curtiss-Wright, Casey's, Flex, and DT Midstream. These companies are currently paying around 0.67% yield. The PE ratio is 18.06. The price to book is 2.82. The price to sales is 1.42. And the price to cash flow is 11.07. So we're going to build a 100% stock portfolio, and we're going to use InvestUSA to do this. So to build our global stock portfolio, we're going to use 17% emerging markets and use VWO for that investment. We're going to put 19% of our money in international and use DFIV. We're going to put 20% of our money in VGT, which is a tech fund. We're going to put 21% of our money in XMMO, which is a mid-cap. And we're going to put 23% of our money in QQQM, which is the NASDAQ 100. Using Portfolio Visualizer, we're going to backtest this portfolio, and we can see back to January 2022. Comparing this diversified portfolio against the S&P 500, we can see that it had a better compound annual growth rate and a better Sharpe ratio. InvestUSA, download it.